Hey everybody, it's Tommy. And in honor of National Accessibility Day, which is today, the third Thursday of May, I wanted to show you guys a feature in Excel you might not know about. And that's the capability Excel has to speak back to the user what's in a cell. Okay, so let's see how that works. First thing I'm going to do is right click up here and I want to customize, actually I want to customize my quick access toolbar. So I come in here and I'm going to select the category of commands not on the ribbon, go down to my O's, and I'm going to start off by putting the on enter, SpeakCells on enter button over there. Next I'm going to go down to the S's because I want to pick up SpeakCells, add that in, and then the last one, stop speaking cells. We'll add that and click OK. So now we've got a little chart over here, and it shows that Wilma was the best salesperson in January. We've summarized that over here in A7. So let's click on that and let's hear what Excel will tell us if we ask Excel to speak to cells.
The top seller for January is Wilma.
Pretty neat. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, this is kind of a functional capability, but this is kind of a fun one. On the next page, I got some lyrics to a popular song, and I'm going to show you how whenever you highlight, arrange, and do SpeakCells, Excel will speak all of it, unless you click stop speaking, which we're going to do about halfway through.
Just a small town girl, living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going on where. Just a city boy.
Alright, I'll click stop there. You get the idea. The last feature I want to show you is the on enter button. Okay, and if I click that,
cells will now be spoken on enter.
It turned on speak on enter. So, as I'm typing information into a spreadsheet,
as I am typing information into a spreadsheet, Excel will read it back to me.
So that's pretty neat. So this is, again, it's a feature of Excel that leads to accessibility. We've done some fun things here. I will tell you that all of the speech capabilities are available in Visual Basic, so you can write a macro or something to have Excel automatically talk and speak when somebody opens a workbook and give a verbal account of what you want them to hear. Thanks and have a great weekend.